Vandeham Sri Guru.
The following is a class on the Srimad Bhagavatam, first canto, 7th chapter, text number 10, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on the 9th of September, 1976, in Vrindavan, India.
Sri Rupam Chakrajatam. This shloka is still more elaborately explained in the Chaitanya Charitamrita. This is the summary. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained this verse in 64 ways. Each word explained, and how many ways each word can be explained, and from all angles of vision, he has proved that Krishna is all attract. So, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's scholarship, of course, he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. There is no comparison to his excellence in every respect. Six opulence says, Na Chaitanyat Paratarang Paramyaha. That is explained by Kaviraj Goswami. Sadai Sajja Purna Ja Bhagavan Iha Sri Chaitanya Chandra. He has explained like that. Sadai Sajja Purna. All knowledge, all beauty, all strength, everything in full. Purnam, Purnamidam. Purnat Purnam Gacchate. He is Purna, and whatever he does, that is also Purna. You cannot find any defect in the creation of the Lord, in the arrangement of maintenance, and in the arrangement of annihilation. You cannot find out any flaw. Perfection, Purna. So, Krishna is Purna in every respect, and if we take to Krishna consciousness as shelter of the lotus feet of Krishna, Savai Mana Krishna Padaravindayo, if we fix up our mind always at the lotus feet of Krishna, then everything will follow very perfectly. That is promised by Krishna. Tesam sadadayuktanang bhajatang pritipurvam. If one is engaged always in love and affection, not as official love, ecstatic love, spontaneous, that is one thing. That example is here in Vrindavan, at least as we get information of Vrindavan from the Shastra, from Srimad Bhagavatam, how spontaneously the inhabitants of Vrindavan, the gopis, and the cowherd boy, and the birds, beasts, the cubs, the animals, the trees, everyone, even the flies, the bees, the insects, even the dust, the grass, everyone is, they are all chinmaya, spiritual. They are not material, but they are attracted to Krishna in different varieties. Here in this material world, the varieties are of material external energy, bahiranga shakti. There are three manifestations of Krishna's energy. Parasya Shakti Vividhaiva Sriyati. That is the Vedic injunction, that the Lord's energy is manifested in variety, not impersonal. If we study very intelligently, then we can understand how Krishna's energy is working in variety. If you study even one flower, you will see how varieties of color and arrangement of the petals, everything. Don't think that the rascals, they say nature. But it's nature. Nature is an instrument. That's like a typewriter. You are typewriting, you are typewriting, not that the typewriter typewriting. That is a mistake. Those who are less intelligent, poor fund of knowledge, they see that the typewriter is working. No. The typewriter means the person who is using the machine, he is just like this microphone. Microphone is not talking, I am talking. It is an instrument. Similarly, what we call nature, that is an instrumental. Not that nature is working. Nature is dull. What is this microphone? It is made of dull matter. It cannot work. But the human being has arranged these material things in such a way, the material elements mean earth, water, air, fire. A scientist means, or a craftsman means, he can utilize the ingredient in such a way. That's like this temple. It is a composition of earth, water and fire. Tejo bari mit vinimayam. Teja means fire, and bari means water, and mit means earth. So what is this building? It is, you have collected earth and shaped it into a brick and then put into with water and then put into the fire, it becomes brick. Then you smash it, powder it, it becomes mortar. Then you set up in this way. The originally tejo bari mit, or fire, water and earth. So the fire, water, earth has not made this nice temple. It is the person, the brain, the engineer, the architect, they have made. So this is a wrong idea that matter is doing independently. That is not possible. Therefore, it is clearly said in the Bhagavad Gita, Maya dhakshena prakriti swati sacharacharam. Matter does not work. The Supreme Personality of Godhead, by his different energies, he is working. That is Krishna. We have to understand like that. Krishna is in the background. In another place in the Bhagavad Gita it is said, Aham hi adi devana. If you say that Lord Brahma has created, because he is the creator of this universe, Deva, there are three principal Devas, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwar. Krishna says, Aham adirihi devana. Actually that is the fact. Even Brahma is originated from Vishnu's navel. Therefore Brahma's name is Padmajoni. And he, when he was created, he saw everything dark. So he was instructed to undergo tapa. These are explained in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Then he was given the intelligence how to work. So even the person like Brahma is also instructed by Krishna how to create. So any person any ingredient, any matter, everything is working under the direction of Krishna. Therefore his name is Krishna. So, Chaitanya Charitamritakar it advises Kaviraj Goswami that Siddhanta Boliya Chitte Nakaro Alas Ya hoite Krishna lage Sudhira Manas. Siddhanta, how Krishna is great. Ittam Bhuta Guna Hari. That's what he said. How Krishna is great. God is great. In the Western world they say God is great, but one does not know how he is great. That we will find in the Vedic literature. Just like in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Ittam Bhuta Guna Hari. He is so great. That you have to learn from Srimad Bhagavatam. Simply to know God is great, it is good. But how he is great, how he is working, that we have to take lessons from the Vedic literature. You cannot find such information anywhere in any book throughout the whole world. So there is no question of studying Vedas from a sectarian point of view. For the sake of knowledge, everyone should study this Vedic literature. And it is summarized in Vedanta Sutra. That's what is called Vedanta Sutra. Sutra means summarize. Athato Brahma Jigyasa. Now these two words, Atha Brahma Jigyasa, 4 words, it contains volumes of knowledge. Therefore it is called Sutra. Janmadasya Jata. They are Brahma Sutra. Brahma Sutra Padaischaiva, Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita that Brahma Sutra Padaischaiva Hetu Madhvi Vinistitam. The truth, absolute truth, is fixed up by Brahma Sutra. So Brahma Sutra explained in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Brahma Sutra is the summary of the whole Vedic literature, and because in future people will misinterpret, therefore the author of Brahma Sutra, Vyasadeva, made a natural comment, and that comment is Brahma Sutra Bhashya, the Srimad Bhagavatam. Don't be misguided by rascals. The Srimad Bhagavatam is written by somebody else. It is not written by Vyasadeva. These are rascals' proposition. This is given by Sri Vyasadeva, and he is the author of Brahma Sutra. And Lokasya Janata Vidyan Chakre Satata Sanghita. This is Satata Sanghita. So we have tried to explain this Satata Sanghita in English for study of the whole world, because English can be understood or it can be translated easily. So these activities are going on, and we are very much thankful to you that you are cooperating. So in India you may find some difficulty, still your valued cooperation required for the benefit of the whole world. Lokasya janata viddhan chatata sanghita atmaramascha munaya kurbanti ahituki bhakti ittam bhuta guna. We have to spread the transcendental qualities of Krishna. Krishna parama purusha dasyang vaisyamanaya. Krishna parama purusha bhakti utpadanti. That is the life's mission. As far as possible, try to understand as advised by Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. Siddhanta boliya chitte nakaro, O Lord. Don't be lazy. Always try to understand Krishna. Siddhanta, by Vedic conclusion, not by manufacturing ideas. Siddhanta, don't be lazy. That is the instruction of Kaviraj. Siddhanta boliya chitte nakaro alos. Ya hoite Krishna lage sudhira manos. If you study according to the Vedic conclusion, don't manufacture ideas and whims and sentiments. If you go through Siddhanta, then you will be more and more firmly fixed up. Yaha haite Krishna lage sudhira manas. Then your life is success. Thank you very much.